Hakaway ke jinja accident kawi ka trokit klinker ka bahyar ki banta jung ka Guwahati na Shillong kalarin ko sa Silyang jung ka Surak bat kala jirat sundon ni artali ki trok LPG ka baket umpriang ka badon yu registration number AS not iway DD nyaw nyaw riwar bat AS not iway DD nyaw nyaw riwlai ki badang kiu shi ki thain Shillong kat kum ka khubar balayo lum ketika jinja accident kalaja ka janmit jung ka khat khana tirek rompang hakapor kumba sau shteng AA hasurok ba national 6 haki banta ki khongdong jung snong sang Bangla ketika jinja accident driver benya ka trokit klinker kabal alit benten ra ketika artali ki LPG truck wala mansau bala penkit sendon ni usia jaka ajing sumar kat ba ki nongnya jung ketika artali ki LPG truck ki kremlong AA nagal yang ki pulit jung nong po police station harangkat ki breu ka National Highway Authority of India marsinyo jung te balor ketika jinja ki lapoi ketika jaka banle ka badon kam.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.